Good morning, class. Today we are going to start our new chapter in English grammar book, and the chapter number is chapter number 9. In this chapter we are going to read about the use of has, have, had. Okay? So first I just want to tell you the forms of has, have, had. That we use has and have for as a present verb, or we are using present form of the verb, we are using has and have. And in the past form we are using had, means had is the past form of has, have. Okay? When we are talking about present, then we will use has or have. But when we are talking about the past, then we will use had. Okay? Now, where should we use has? Where should we use has? We use has with he, she, it, or any singular noun or pronoun. Understand? He, she, it, or any singular noun or pronoun. There we will use has. We will use has. Singular means only one. That is known as singular when we are talking about only one name, one person. Now, the second is H-A-V-E, have. Have is also a present form, but we use have with I, we, you, they, or any plural noun or pronoun. There we are using H-A-V-E, have. Means has हम कहाँ यूज कर रहे हैं? He has, she has, it has, or any name, singular name, like Ravi has, Kiran has, like this we will use has. और has use कब हो रहा है? In the present. When we are talking about now, today, जब हम आज की बात करते हैं, that is present, and we will use has with the singular noun or pronoun. The second have हम use करते हैं I, we, you, they, or any plural. Plural means more than one. Okay? More than one. तब हम use करेंगे have. Have भी present form है. Okay? When we are talking about today, जब हम आज की बात करते हैं, that time we are using has and have. तब हम has और have को use करते हैं. Has singular pronoun noun के साथ, और have plural noun or pronoun. Understand? And I have told you about had. What is had? Had, this is the past form. This is the past form. Past form of has and have. Had past form है, और जो has और have दोनों की जगह यूज होता है past form में. जब हम yesterday या पहले की बात करेंगे, that time we will use had. We will use had. Okay, understand? And it will be used at the place of has and have. Understand till you? Has and present form, had is the past form, has singular के साथ आता है, have plural noun के pronoun के साथ आएगा. Okay? Now we will see the rules. हम has और have कहाँ use कर सकते हैं. Okay? Only three I am telling here to you. The first is, see here on the board, we use has and have. हम देख रहे हैं अब has और have कहाँ यूज करेंगे. Okay? First is to mean suffer from. जब हम किसी डिसीज से, या अगर हम इल हैं, हम बीमार हैं, हम किसी डिसीज से सफर कर रहे हैं, that time when we are telling the disease, और जब हम बता रहे हैं कि मुझे ये हुआ है, मैं इससे सफर कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ये बीमारी हुई है, है, that time you can use has and have. For example, I have a bad cold means जब आपको बहुत ठंडी लगी है, जुकाम हो रही है, that time you can say I have. You can use have. Okay. I ये तो I के साथ क्या यूज होता है? We have seen with I we use have. So I have a bad cold. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा जुकाम हो रही है, ठंडी लगी हुई है. Understand? The second, she is here. She means singular. So I will use has. So I will use has. And I have done here, she has a headache. उसे सिर दर्द हो रहा है. Then you can say she has. Means when you are telling, जब आप किसी चीज से सफर हो रहे हैं, परेशान हो रहे हैं बीमारी से, that time you can use has have. I have a bad cold. I have a fever. आप बोल सकते हैं I have a fever. She has a fever like this. Understand? He has a fever or Rahul has a fever. They have some disease. Like this we are using all the uses of the has and have. Now we will see the second rule. First rule we have seen. Now we are going to see the second rule. Second rule is to talk about food and drink. When you are eating something and you are telling it मैंने ये खाया, okay, या फिर मैंने ये पिया, that time also you can use has and have. For example, मैंने आज सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट किया, okay, या फिर मैं डेली सुबह करता हूँ, means that is a present. अगर आप डेली कर रहे हैं every morning, मैं रोज सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ. You can say I eat, मैं खाता हूँ, but it doesn't seem good. The good is I have a breakfast every morning. I have means मैं every morning breakfast करता हूँ. Okay? You will not say I do breakfast. No. The particular word you can use here, that is I have. I have is also a particular word that you can use here. Now, the next example you can see here. Raman has coffee after dinner. Raman रात को खाना खाने के बाद कॉफी पीता है, कॉफी लेता है. So you can use Raman. It's a singular noun. So you can use here Raman has. Raman has coffee after dinner. Understand? When we are talking about the food and drink, that time also we use has, have. Okay? For singular, has, and for plural, we use have. I have a breakfast every morning. मैं every morning breakfast करता हूँ. I have. He, वह रात को खाना खाने के बाद डेली कॉफी लेता है या कॉफी पीता है. So you can say he has or Raman has coffee after dinner. Understand? Now we will see the third point, that where you can use has or have. We use has and have to show possession. To show possession. Possession means to own things. जब आप ये बताना चाहते हैं कि ये चीज मेरे पास है, उसके पास है, means possession, or we say own things. चीज अब बताना ये मेरा है, ये उसका है, that is a possession. That time also you can use has or have. For example, if I am saying मेरे पास कंप्यूटर है, so I can use I have a computer. I have a computer. उसके पास है, he has a computer. आप क्लास में बोलते ना, आज मेरे पास तो नया वाला पेंसिल बॉक्स है. I have a new pencil box. Or you can say उसके पास नई बोतल है. She has a new water bottle. Understand? Means when we are telling that to mean suffer from any disease, that time you can use has, have. I have a cold, she has a fever, like this. Okay? Second is about food and drink. When you are talking about like this, I have my lunch. Okay, I have my lunch. She has her lunch. Eat की जगह आप क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Has और had. And the third is to show the possession. To show possession means when you are telling about the things that you own, जो आपके अधिकार की है चीजें. I have a computer. She has a computer. I have a new story book. Like this. Okay, you can use have. Now the question is, where should I use the had? Had. Where should I use had? I have told you at the place of has a have. जब हम past की बात करेंगे तो has और have की जगह क्या लगाएंगे? had. Okay? Had. For example, if this line was every morning, ये तो डेली की बात हो रही है. अगर मैं ऐसे कहूँ कि मैंने कल सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट किया था, आज नहीं किया, कल सुबह किया था, then I say yesterday morning. इसका क्या हो जाएगा? every की जगह. If I write here, you see here, yesterday means हम पहले की बात कर रहे हैं. So when we will use here yesterday, then it will be, तो आप इसे क्या कर देंगे? I had. What you will do? I had. Understand? Yesterday means हम पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं, और जब हम पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं, पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, means that is the past form. और जब आप past form यूज करेंगे तो कौन सा यूज होगा साथ में? had. Had. I had a breakfast yesterday morning. I had a breakfast. कल सुबह मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था. Then it will be I had. Okay? I have a bad cold. मुझे जुकाम लगी है या ठंड लग रही है. You can say मुझे लास्ट संडे को जुकाम लगी हुई थी या ठंड लगी हुई थी. Last Sunday. Last, if I write here, last Sunday. Last Sunday means पिछले संडे, means ये पुरानी बात है. Then it will be here had. I had a bad cold last Sunday. Understand? Means when we are talking about past form, जब भी हम past की पुरानी बात करेंगे तो जहां भी has या have लगता है वहां हम has और have की जगह पे क्या लगाएंगे? had. We will use had for the past form. For the past form of has and have. Understand, students? I hope all of you understand this. We will do the exercise also. Has, have, present form. Had is the past form with singular has, with plural have, and past form of has, have is have. Okay? 3 rules I am just telling you here. Suffer from food and drink what you are eating, or to show possession. इसके अलावा और भी rules है बेटा. One more rule I can tell you when you are telling about the fixed time. जब आप किसी को किसी fixed time के बारे में बताते हैं, that is also you are using has and have. For example, if I write here, teachers have a meeting. Teachers have meeting. Teachers have meeting in the afternoon. Means time fix है. मीटिंग कब होगी? आफ्टरनून में होगी. जो फिक्स टाइम होता है, when the time is fixed time. Okay? For the fixed time also, for the fixed program also, जब आपका प्रोग्राम फिक्स है, that time also you use has and have. Understand? This was all for the has, have, had. Now we will do the exercise. Then you will understand this more perfectly. Thank you, students.